Jane Schrenkel, Esquire, is an integral part of Nassau County's judicial system, where she is currently the Principal Court Attorney Supervisor of the Nassau County District Court Law Department. Jane's duties as Principal Court Attorney Supervisor include supervising a staff of 10 attorneys and 2 support personnel, researching and analyzing complex issues, and providing critical legal support to the judges. Jane also served as Law Secretary to Justice Thomas Adams of the Supreme Court Appellate Division, 2nd Department, and as Deputy Town Attorney for the town of Hempstead. Jane is the past president of the North Valley Stream Civic Association and is a member of the Valley Stream Elmont Limbrook Hadassah Society of Long Island Committee for Soviet Jewry. Finally, Jane is a member of the Nassau County Law Secretary and Court Attorneys Association, Nassau County Bar Association, the New York State Bar Association, and the Nassau County Jewish Lawyers Association, where she has served on the board of directors. Jane is the wife of Shelley Schrenkel and the devoted mother of Kathy, mother-in-law to Chris, and most importantly, grandmother to Max. Ladies and gentlemen, Jane Schrenkel. Joanne Barbara Fitzgerald is the Assistant Principal of Our Lady of Victory Elementary School in Floral Park. In addition to her position as Assistant Principal, Joanne has dedicated much of her time to promoting the welfare of our young people. Joanne is a member of the Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development and Catholic School Administrators Association of New York State. She is a past Girl Scout leader, class mother, and is participating in many fundraising events for Our Lady of Mercy Academy. She currently participates in various fundraisers and activities for Our Lady of Victory Parish and School. Finally, Joanne is a member of the Cambridge Who's Who of Executives and Professionals. Joanne is the mother of 2 children, Lisa Marie and Laura Ann, and the wife of James Fitzgerald. Ladies and gentlemen, Joanne Barbara Fitzgerald. Raheli Hockel is a retired human resources professional, and she is a dedicated volunteer with her synagogue congregation on Shai Shalom, where she is a past co-president of the Sisterhood and served on numerous Sisterhood committees. In 2008, Raheli received the Shirley Bachanoff Aish Hayedo Sisterhood Award for grateful recognition for loyalty and gracious commitment to Anshe Shalom Sisterhood and Synagogue. Raheli is a member of the Bonai Olam Committee for West Hempstead, a charitable organization designed to assist couples having infertility issues. Raheli is well known for the gracious hospitality she offers by opening up her home and meals to families interested in visiting the neighborhood prior to moving in. She also provides her home for the Women's League annual weekend getaways. And finally, Raheli is the West Hempstead representative for the Long Island Shalom Task Force, which works with women and children who are victims of domestic violence and volunteers with the Hebrew Academy of Nassau County. Raheli is the devoted mother of Elishiva, Reina, and Avi, and the loving wife of Morty Hockel. Ladies and gentlemen, Raheli.